In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create advanced components in Figma. We'll start by opening your design and laying the groundwork for components that adapt beautifully. Save time and scale as your project grows. The foundation of any advanced component is auto layout. It lets layers expand or contract based on their content, so a button can grow as its label gets longer without you manually resizing anything. Add your text, select it, and press Shift+A to wrap it in auto layout. Then add padding so the text has comfortable space inside. This instantly makes the element responsive, and you can adjust direction, spacing between items, and alignment as needed to match your layout. Next, set constraints so nested layers behave correctly when the parent resizes. In the right panel, use Fill Container for elements that should stretch to available space, or Hug Contents for items that should wrap tightly around their content. This combination gives you predictable, responsive behavior across different screen sizes and content lengths. Before building complex components, create solid building blocks. Turn icons and base text styles into individual components first. Select them all, create multiple components so each is reusable, and then combine them as variants. Variants let you group similar items like different styles of the same icon into one component set, which keeps your library organized and speeds up iteration. With those atoms ready, embed them inside a larger parent component, such as a button. This means you can swap parts without rebuilding. Use instance swapping to change an icon inside a button instance with any other icon in your library. On the right-hand side, open the instance drop-down next to the icon and choose the replacement. Your layout and spacing stay intact because auto layout and constraints are already doing the heavy lifting. Now implement variants and component sets for interactive UI elements. Select your button, create a component, and then add a variant. Define properties like state with default, hover, and disabled, size with small and large, and mode with light and dark. These properties show up as controls when you use the component, making it easy to switch appearances without detaching instances. Finally, bring your components to life with interactive behaviors. In the Prototype tab, link variants using the Change to action. This makes interactions like a checkbox, toggling between checked and unchecked happen inside a single component set, with no extra frames required. That's it. Thanks for watching.